Hi guys, in this video we're going to be working through an exam style question.
Let's have a go at an exam style question. So figure 1 here shows a cyclist with all of the horizontal forces given. He is cycling at a constant velocity of 30 meters per second against a frictional force of 240 newtons. So here we've got two forces acting on our cyclist. We have this thrust force, the force pushing the cyclist forwards, and we have this friction force which is holding the cyclist back. We've also been told that the cyclist is going at a constant velocity of 30 meters per second. Now the first question asks, how big is the force labelled thrust? Okay, so the key to answering this is taking a look at the words that have been used in the question carefully. He is cycling at a constant velocity. Okay, so this velocity of 30 meters per second is not changing, but a constant velocity means that there must be no net force on the cyclist. In other words, the thrust must equal the friction. And so we see that the size of the thrust must be equal to 240 newtons. The next part of our question asks us to calculate the work done against friction by the cyclist in 1 minute. This sounds a little bit confusing off the bat, so let's just work out what it is that we know. So we're asked to calculate a work done, and the formula for work done is the force. The force we're interested in is against friction. We're thinking about friction multiplied by the distance travelled against that force. Now we don't know the distance travelled, but we do know the time travelled. The cyclist has travelled for 1 minute, and we have also been told the speed of the cyclist. So we can find out this distance using a separate formula. We use the fact that distance is equal to speed times time. Now the time we've been given at the moment is 1 minute. But we need our time to be in the correct units of seconds. So we need to remember that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds.
Hey guys, to continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific GCSE physics and combined science videos, just click on the Snap Revise smiley face. Join me today and let's make physics at GCSE a walk in the park.